YouTube? It is time. Boy, I tell you, I'm excited today. It is that time of the year, and you know YouTube's already getting flooded with videos, but don't nobody do it like Bobby G does. So let's go ahead and get straight to it. You know what time of year it is. It is time for that Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Without further ado, we're just going to jump straight into it, okay? No BS, no fancy cinematics. Let's just get to it. So y'all know we got the good old-fashioned samurai sword right here. Whoosh! Got it ready for you right here. So let's go ahead and unbox this. I'm going to try to make this fast and sweet and straight to the point. Just look, everybody's got their own time, right? Y'all got stuff to do. Y'all don't need to be hanging around with all the BS. Let's go ahead and slice it open, see what we got. Okay. One thing Samsung does not play with is their packaging. Okay. Let me go ahead and pull this out right here. Oh, y'all need to see all that official address and stuff like that. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got, okay? So today we got a pretty big care package from Samsung. We got the Galaxy Smart Tags 2. I'm gonna get those unboxed. Got, of course, the main event, the champ, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. We're gonna get to that too as well. And then of course, this year Samsung did a lot of goodies to go along with their phone. So the ones that were left when I got a chance to pre-order are gonna be this white shield case, this clear Gadget case of theirs, and then 2 screen protectors. And I'm not even gonna know if I'm gonna use these, y'all, because they look like they're plastic, or the soft kind, which I'm not really digging. I want to put a glass screen protector on it. Without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so we've got Galaxy S24 Ultra, and this year I did get it in. Oh, let's just go to it. Okay, let's just see what color I got. Y'all gonna have to wait and see. Got that. Bam. And then the big reveal. What color did I get this year? Ooh. I don't know what Samsung officially calls this color, but I'm gonna call it that orange sickle. Okay, just like the ice cream, or that creamsicle. So right there out of the box, it is looking very clean. Oh man, the texture, it's got a frosted back. So anybody that's been out there, if you've put hands on a Google Pixel 8 Pro, that kind of frosted back texture and the look that that has, it's going to be the same right here. Let's go ahead and bring it out. Oh, this is a really nice color choice. So there it's going to be for y'all. I'm going to tell you right now, the camera, from what I'm seeing, is not really doing it justice. It's actually a little bit oranger than what it appears on camera. So we've got the titanium sides that are going to be new to the Galaxy this year. Looks really familiar. Cough, cough. I wonder who did titanium first this year. Would it be the iPhone? Okay, so they say the new X24 this year is going to be thinner than last year's model. Okay, let's bring it into the shot. Okay, so I got both phones in hand. Let me get this one out of the case real quick so I can do a fair apples to apples comparison. So this is going to be the S23 Ultra in my left hand, and then I've got the S24 right here. When it comes to weight, just off the hand, no scales, y'all. They feel similar. They feel about the same, just to keeping it real. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this screen reveal. There you go. So it's supposed to have that new screen, 75% less screen reflective or whatever it is. So looking at this, I'm really digging the sides. I'm really digging this titanium finish on there. It feels really good. And then I really like this orange color. Like, it's very nice. Very nice. In all the unboxing excitement, I'm gonna forgot to show you what's in the box, but if you're an OG that you've had a Samsung before, you already know what's coming in here, right? So there's the bottom, nothing fancy in there, okay? Then let's go on the inside right here. Nothing in the top, just pull it out. You got the standard stuff, y'all, okay? So inside of here, you know what you got. You're gonna have quick start guide, SIM ejector. Then you know you're gonna have the USB-C power cord right here. That's it. That's all they give you. You ain't getting no power brick or anything like that. It's just gonna be the same. That's it. All right, so now we got the phone set up. I'm gonna go ahead and see what these cases are about. So again, these are the ones that Samsung came out with this year. First one's gonna be this shield case, designed by Samsung for Samsung. We got some tape on the side. Let's go ahead and samurai cut that on the side. Hopefully I don't cut myself. Got that open. Okay, and by the time, like I said, by the time I pre-ordered my stuff, man, all the good stuff was gone. So I had to kind of take the slim pickings. So this is gonna be just a pretty simple, like ridges. The sides are very rigid. Tops and bottoms very rigid. It's just like a silicone case. It's kind of semi soft, but it's more on the rigid side. Let me go ahead and pop the phone in here and let's take a look and see what it looks like. Okay. So slide it in. And we're gonna slide it in the bottom corner. And we'll do the top corner right here. There you go. So this is how, I'm gonna bring this in the shot so y'all can see which one it is again. This is the shield case from Samsung. So the shield case from Samsung is gonna have a nice even raised lip all the way around it. On the bottom, it's gonna have, of course, accurate cutouts for the phone. Looks like the ridge here at the bottom is actually a little bit transparent, at least from what it looks like to me. Then accurate cutouts at the top for the mic, and then on the back you can see it's exact cutouts for all the cameras, flash, all that good stuff. So pretty cool looking case, the Shield from Samsung. And the last case I'm gonna do for this video is gonna be the clear Gadget case, as y'all can see right there. And this one again is made by Samsung. So let's go ahead and bring in the samurai sword, slice this open, get it on the phone, and then see what it looks like, okay? One side, then the other. Open up the top, slide it down, slide it down. There we go, right there. Let's take out the stuff. Okay, so this one, this one's got a lot of crap that goes to it. Okay. This is this little strap. There's a little strap that looks like it locks onto the back. I'm gonna have to look and see what this does, y'all. But there's a little strap that comes with it. I'm just gonna put that to the side for right now. Okay, it looks like it does come with instructions telling you how to use that. But let's go ahead and just see here. It doesn't have anything on the inside. So let's go ahead and bring the phone in. It looks like, okay, there we go. All right, so you snap one side and you get the other side. Okay, so there you go right there. This is how the case looks on this orange phone. Really nice. I do like it. I do like the case now that I got it on there. It's just a very, I don't know. It looks okay, but it's real hard shell plastic. I don't like this with the bottom being open. I don't like that. That's gonna be a no-go for me. So sorry, Samsung. On this, let's see here. Let me pull this case. On this clear Gadget case, that's gonna be a no-go. There you go. That's the new hotness right there. The new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra in all its glory. This is going to be the call to action after the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do me a favor. Let's talk it up in the comment section. Let's chat it up. Please like and subscribe. I really could use your help. Please share this with your family, your friends, anybody you know. Get it out there. Let's make this YouTube channel blow up in 2024, okay? Thank you for your time. Have a great day.